chicken feast in this house. I have this chicken that is I'm trying to defreeze. So one chicken, and this is beef. So as you can see, it still have ice block all over it. So I'm trying to defreeze it right now. I have pepper and I have tomatoes. So what I want to do right now is so the chicken is inside this rubber. I decided to just drop it inside this rubber. So what I want to do is actually make ugu leaf stew, so we can eat it with simo, if that makes sense. So I have okra right here. I'll be washing it, and then after washing it, I'll take the head and cut it into pieces to make an okra soup. Yeah. So right here we have freezed pepper. Okay. So guys, the meat is here. This is a combination of chicken and beef. So it's on the stove. Let me lit it up and add all the ingredients. I'll be showing you guys everything. Gel superior curry powder. We have thyme leaves, and this is a must-have, guys. This is a Spice Supreme everything mix seasoning, all-purpose seasoning. So if you're the type that don't like cutting onions in your meat, then this is a go for you. Focus. So if you don't like cutting fresh onions in your meat, so when cooking meat, then this is a go for you. So I added some water over it to allow it to cook. So it's time to get cooking. So hubby got this. This type of fan. I don't know if some of you know it. It's been long I saw it. And it used to blow well. So it came in this two designs and they look beautiful. And we have this I think for putting maybe your onions, you hang it and then you put your onions. Let me just get everything. So this is what it looks like. This is my hand holding it, and this is everything. So maybe you put your onions or your potatoes, anyone. It looks so beautiful. Oh. Guys, a quick hack. This is a sieve and a container. So what we'll do right here is, when you blend your tomatoes and you don't want, especially when you want to do stew, when you blend your tomatoes, you have a lot of water inside. So what you do is you get a sieve and sieve it. You know, some people after doing this they throw away the water, but what you do is this: you sieve it and then uh, take this out, and then you see there's a lot of water. So what you do with the water under here is, when you're grinding the next tomatoes, you don't need to add another fresh water. You use the water under here to blend your tomatoes. I hope someone understands this. Okay, it's a good hack for me. At least it reduces the consumption or the usage of water, and you won't be parboiling your tomatoes for a very long time. So you see, now that I've added another batch of tomatoes, you can see that no water inside. So what I do with the water I've sieved is, I will just carry it and just add it on here. You see, we have enough water, so this water would be enough for you till you finish grinding your tomatoes, instead of adding another water. So you see, so right here we would mount it. So guys, I decided to reward myself with this Mirinda apple. This is the first time, at least this year, I'm seeing it for the very first time. Okay, so Mirinda apple, and it tastes so nice. You guys should try it out. So guys, this is basically what I'll be using to cook today. I'll be making okra and a little bit of ogu stew. So this has tomatoes, and the two pepper, the chili pepper and the bell pepper, and this is just the two peppers for making okra, and this for making the vegetable stew. I have my onions, then I have my knorr cubes, I have salt here, I have Gino Max, these are the beef spice, and then this is the beef flavor, and this is the chicken flavor, and I have this curry powder here. I'm using this particular brand for the very first time, and this is everything mix seasoning, all-purpose seasoning. It has onions, it has garlic, as you saw earlier when I was trying to boil my meat. If you don't want to be cutting your onions inside when you're boiling your meat, you can actually get this spice. It's very good and handy. And then I have my okra. I'm still trying to cut them. I'm still cutting them, and this is my meat. I have chicken and beef. Yes, I have chicken and beef. And then I have ogu leaf that I'm still washing, and then I'll be using red oil. So I'll start cooking right now. So this is basically everything, and I have potassium. Yeah, quite alright. Maybe I'll show you that later. Potassium for the okra. If you want your soup to draw and you're mixing everything together, then you need to use potassium. So I'll take you guys along. For the red oil, I use this Banga red oil. This thing is very heavy. I'm holding it, so the Banga red oil, and this is what it looks like. So I've added my pepper, and right now I'll allow the water to drain off before adding the rest of the ingredient. So this is for the vegetable, and this is for okra. So guys, our pepper for the okra is ready. So I'll add this much water into it. Yes, I'll add this much water. I don't want it to be too plenty. And then I have my combination of spices. So I'll turn them in right now and allow it to boil for 1 minute, and then I'll pour in my okra. So I have this meat. I'll add the meat into it so that when it's boiling for the 1 minute, all the juice will go into the meat. Okay, so this is what we have here. And the sauce for making the ugu stew is ready. So what I will do right now is I have some spices here. I'll just add them into it and then give it a stir. In this case, we're not adding any water, okay? So we just leave it for all the spices to go into the pepper, and after that we'll add our meat and then our vegetable, and that will be ready. So at least we'll allow this for 2 minutes and then I'll off the fire. So this is the pot for okra soup. I have this potassium this much. So what I'll do is I'll put it in the water to get, and then I'll add my okra. This is so. See how raw it is. Guys, see this pot of goodness. Oh, so this looks ready already. So what I'll do is I'll bring it down and start my simo. We'll be eating okra today, so this would be taken with fried yam tomorrow morning, as vegetable side. So this is ready. This looks ready. So guys, you can see the bubbles. This look ready already. This looks ready. You can see how it's slimy. This looks ready already. Yeah, this looks ready. And Then for the final look, I would add in this green ugu leaf, to just give it that green feel. And ugu is very, very healthy. Ugu is healthy, so I'll leave it for like maybe 30 seconds or minutes, to just cook in, just to give it this green feel. How did I do? So guys, food is ready. These are simo and okra soup with a dash of ugu leaf. So dinner is ready and served. So hi guys, good morning from my own end here. So today is the next day. This is morning. This is a beautiful morning. I just finished making breakfast for me and Joshua. So let me show you what I did. Okay. So this is the vegetable stew. The vegetable stew I did yesterday, and this for Joshua, and this is mine. So this is my own side of the plate. So this is what we are having for breakfast. On a good day, I don't allow my yam to over dry. But today I was in the parlor taking care of the baby. But on a good day, I just like it light. So this is what we're having for breakfast. Thank you so much guys for watching today's vlog. I hope you really enjoy it. If you did, kindly give it a thumbs up, leave a comment in the comment section, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't. So thank you so much guys, you all are amazing, and see you in my next one. Bye for now. How do I look? Do I look good? Don't mind me, I'm feeling goofy.